Heraclitus was born in the city of Ephesus, located in present-day Turkey, around 535 BCE. Little is known about his early life, but he hailed from an aristocratic family, likely receiving an education that cultivated his intellectual curiosity and set the stage for his philosophical journey. Heraclitus is best known for his doctrine of pantarei, which translates to everything flows. He believed that change was the fundamental nature of reality, and that nothing remains static. Heraclitus' famous aphorism, "You cannot step twice into the same river." Heraclitus introduced the concept of the logos, often translated as the word reason or order. The logos represented the underlying rational principle that governs the cosmos, providing harmony amidst the constant change. Heraclitus introduced the concept of the logos, often translated as the word reason or order. The logos represented the underlying rational principle that governs the cosmos, providing harmony amidst the constant change. Heraclitus considered fire to be the primary element of all things. For him, fire represented transformation, symbolizing the cyclical nature of existence and the ever-changing world. Heraclitus contemplated ethics and the path to wisdom. He emphasized self-awareness, virtue, and the pursuit of knowledge as the means to achieve wisdom. Despite leaving behind only fragments of his writings, Heraclitus' ideas profoundly influenced subsequent philosophers and the course of Western thought. Understanding Heraclitus' philosophy requires contextualizing it within the broader landscape of ancient Greek thought. Heraclitus' enigmatic style and cryptic language have intrigued scholars for centuries, leading to various interpretations of his writings. The river became a central metaphor in Heraclitus' philosophy, representing the cyclical nature of change and the unity of opposites. Heraclitus' ideas and influence can be seen in relation to other pre-Socratic philosophers, including his predecessors and contemporaries. If you found this journey through history and philosophy enlightening, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on history, philosophy, and biographies. Thank you for joining us on this immersive exploration into the world of Heraclitus.